Looking for a breakfast sandwich masterpiece, right? You're looking for that? Listen, look no more. We're gonna make this beautiful French toast sandwich. That's gonna be the last sandwich you'll be looking for. Follow me step by step, and you will not regret that you made this super sandwich. So I have a full loaf of bread here that I'm using brioche for this sandwich. I have 3 large eggs, cheese, any cheese that you like, kiwi, strawberry, regular ham, and then I have pastrami, Kobe pastrami, and turkey bacon. I'm gonna use some whipped cream, cinnamon, and white sugar. So you buy this loaf of bread, and then you wanna cut thick, super thick slices. Any bread that you like, but you wanna make sure you'll be able to cut thick slices just like that. This is gonna be a French toast with brioche. So you want to make sure those slices are thick. That's why I buy the whole loaf of bread uncut, and I'll just cut it to my size. So I'm gonna beat an egg here. This is gonna be for the making this bread a French toast. So this is pretty easy, just 1 large egg. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. About a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. And we're gonna mix these together again. Make sure these are well incorporated. The cinnamon really doesn't wanna get together with the egg, but it will eventually. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of milk, about 2 teaspoons of milk, just to make it a little bit more liquid and easier for the bread to absorb. I'm gonna put this mix on a shallow plate here, making sure that it doesn't overflows. And I'm gonna just dip my bread there in that egg, cinnamon, and milk mixture. Some people put sugar. I'm not putting sugar because we're gonna add other sweet ingredients to my sandwich here, so you don't need to add sugar. Just make sure the bread is soaked in that mixture here. Again, eggs, milk, and cinnamon. And this is kind of ready. I'm gonna bring this back up here, and I'm gonna put this to the side for the time being. And let's go with the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna beat 3 eggs here because it's gonna be kind of scrambled eggs, but it's inside the sandwich. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Listen, take all your contacts from your phone and send them the link to my YouTube channel. Yep, let them know that we're making great videos here, and everybody's welcome. And thank you for watching my videos. You as well. So I'm gonna scramble these eggs here, just like that, making sure that the color is consistent. And I'm gonna add to my eggs here. I like to add the salt and pepper now. This is optional for you. If you like it, you do it. If you don't like it, then don't add one or the other, or both, or none of them. I like to add salt and pepper, and I like to do it now before cooking the eggs. That way, there's gonna be salt and pepper everywhere, not just on top of my egg. So I'm gonna make sure this is well mixed, and this is gonna be ready for my flat top here. So I'm using this small flat top indoor because it's cold outside. So I'm gonna put the French toast right on the griddle there, right on the griddle like that on the side. And we're gonna have the entire sandwich laid out here, and you'll see. Just follow me step by steps. And at the end, we're gonna form this sandwich. It's beautiful, beautiful sandwich. So I'm gonna get my eggs now first. Pay attention to the order in which I actually put the ingredients on the griddle here. So I'm gonna add the eggs now, making sure they don't run everywhere. Try to control them because they wanna just run everywhere. Try to control them, and then we're gonna try to form them in about the same size and shape of the bread. Remember, this is gonna be a sandwich, so we're gonna make sure that it all fits about the same size of the bread there, those slices of bread there. So I'm gonna control them now that I can. It's still a little liquidy. I'm gonna control them to the center, just like that, to try to form the same size and kind of shape of that bread that I'll be using for my sandwich. And there you have it. This is not a rocket science. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna add some bacon here. You can use regular bacon. I'm using turkey bacon just to stay on the healthy side, but you can use regular bacon. I'm gonna flip my French toast here. Don't let it burn. That's the color I'm looking for. But that's fine. Don't let it get too dark because then it's gonna be a little bitter. I'm gonna flip my egg here, just like that. Look how beautiful. It's all one piece because it's gonna be a sandwich. And I'm using pastrami here. Actually, Kobe pastrami, real good. You can use any other ham that you like, but I like this sandwich with this pastrami. I'm telling you, this is the best sandwich. You're not gonna look anywhere else for another sandwich. This is gonna be your favorite sandwich moving forward. I guarantee that. So I'm gonna make some space here for my other ham. You see the pastrami, I put it on top of each other. Now the ham, I'm gonna warm them up just like that. Even though this is cooked ham, that's fine. I'm gonna warm it up individually and then I'm gonna stack them on top of the other. I'm gonna flip my bacon here. Easy, just like that. Remember, you can use regular bacon or I'm using turkey bacon in this case. And I'm gonna flip my pastrami on my hands. Remember, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. And thank you for watching my videos. So once you flip all your hams like that, it's that easy. I'm gonna actually put this ham on top of each other because I'm gonna put the cheese now on top of them to start melting that cheese. So once you get them, again, about the same size and shape of the bread. Now I'm gonna go with cheese here. I'm using Munster cheese. You can use Swiss or American or whatever cheese you like. Remember, this is your sandwich. You're gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this one. You're gonna eat the one that you make your own. So I'm using Munster here because I like Munster. So there you have it. I'm taking my bacon. I'm going straight right over the eggs and the cheese there. Just like that, pretty easy. And I think I'm gonna go with the pastrami on top of that first because the pastrami the cheese is a little bit more melted by now. And you're just gonna bring the pastrami from the grill once the cheese starts to melt and just put it on top of your stack. It already has the eggs and the bacon and all the cheese. And the hams go right on top of the pastrami as well. And we're gonna form the sandwich now. So bring one of these toasts to the side. Look at that color. That's a beautiful color that we're looking for on a French toast. And you're gonna stack this just like this. Stack your sandwich. There you have it. But guess what? This is not ready yet. We're just gonna plate it here. But still a few more steps. No, don't bite it yet. We still have to go a few more steps. So here's your sandwich. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of guava sauce in this case. You can use any other thing or not use the guava sauce. If you want to know how to make this guava sauce, I have another video on that one. So I'm gonna use this guava sauce, which is like a marmalade, all over like that. Not a lot, just a few lines. And because I'm gonna eat this, only half of this, and my wife's gonna eat the other half. I'm gonna cut it in half. If you wanna eat it for yourself, then just leave it in one piece. I'm gonna put some whipped cream here in the middle, just for decoration. And I'm gonna add, in my case again, I'm gonna add some kiwis here to the side of the whipped cream, and other kiwis on the plate opposite sides of the ones that are on top. There you have it. Remember, any of these ingredients you can leave it there. You can replace whatever. I'm just giving you a beautiful idea here, and if you follow this one, I guarantee this is the best sandwich ever. There you have it. For one more step, here we go. Snow. So it is snowing all over my sandwich here. Look at that. Powdered sugar on top of it. Bam, bam, like Emil used to say. Bam, powdered sugar. Bang, bang. There you have it. There's your sandwich. This is a real breakfast of champions. The beautiful French toast, super sandwich with ham, pastrami, bacon, cheese, fruits. What else do you want? There you have it. Hope you enjoy or see you next time.